what's poppin'? Que la que hay, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I wanted to go ahead and just do a quick little eyeliner tutorial. Obviously, a winged eyeliner look is always so completely difficult to go ahead and obtain. So I want to go ahead and give you guys some tips that I learned on my way into making and perfecting my winged liner. So that if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, so tip number one, Scotch tape. Scotch tape was definitely one of those things that definitely helped me out when I was starting to do my eyeliner, my winged eyeliner. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna kind of put it behind your hand, kind of peel it off for a second. You don't want it to be, you don't want to place it on your face and it's still, you know, stick on there to the point where it's gonna hurt when you peel it off. And what you're gonna do is, you're gonna go to like the ending of your eyebrow and kind of just angle it upward depending on how you would like it to look. So that is how it should look. And remember, just stick it to the back of your hand and then peel it off. So now the only problem with doing your winged eyeliner is sometimes they want to look like sisters, sometimes they want to look like freaking stepmothers, sometimes they want to look just horrible. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is show you guys what it's going to look like with gel on one side, and then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of just regular ink, and on the other side I'm going to go ahead and just do regular ink. Alright, so this eye is going to be just the ink. So I'm just going to show you what both sides look like. What you want to go ahead and start is the line. So at the end you're going to start your line. It makes it a lot easier to just start at the end and then work your way inside of the eye. So and as you can see, it's okay if you make some mistakes on the tape because it's not going to reflect once you remove it. And then you're going to move your way in your eye. So I like to go ahead and start like that. Alright, and then the way that you want to go ahead and peel it off, I usually go like back and forth, but you can always just go like that. Now, just depending on how it is that you want to, you know, extend it, you can always just extend a little line just to go out, but I think we're pretty good here. Next, I'm going to go in with gel on this side using the Morphe gel. Now, the only thing with gel liner is that you kind of just have to keep going back in just to kind of keep it from looking exactly the way you want it to. So that's what it ends up looking like on my left side. And that's with me just doing gel. And then since I have already finished, there we go. Well, this one came out a lot cuter. Now, the good thing is that you can just go in, fix the little nicks and stuff like that, and your look will still look bomb. Always remember though, just go back in. Kind of have to be patient when it comes to winged liners, just because the first go around is never going to be as accurate as you probably would want it to be. So just always keep that in mind, guys. But yeah, definitely hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like the video if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you definitely haven't already. And obviously stay tuned for all the other videos that I'm going to be posting, and hoping you guys will enjoy. So thank you so much for tuning in today, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!